Hi everybody, Tim Wagner here, and I'm absolutely thrilled to be sharing something really extraordinary with you. Eli Javitz and I have been working out how we can provide more value to you after our series of 10 months workshops. And I believe we've actually found a beautiful model. So get ready for a series of live webinars that's not just an event, we aim to make it an experience. These webinars aren't going to be a typical one. We're talking about a podcast / webinar / dynamic discussion, and we want your involvement in this as well. Over the past 10 months, we've had 18 amazing speakers, coaches, mentors, authors, business leaders, entrepreneurs sharing, and we're going to now take it to the next level. We're going to be inviting these amazing leaders as well. But instead of it just being teaching, we want to provide real, tangible value. So we're going to have a discussion. Now, here's the big thing. Register now. Click the link below on the side, wherever the link is. Register to get your Zoom link. Then you can become part of the discussion. You can lead it. You can actually ask those deep dive questions you've always wanted to and become part of this conversation. That's the magic. You can stream live on YouTube as well. But Zoom, that's where you're going to get the real added value. So I invite you, register now and join us for Conversations That Count with Tim and Eli and special guests on Thursday, where is it? There we go. Thursday the 30th, which is 7 p.m. South Africa time, 12 o'clock EST. Register now. This is the event that we really want to give you towards the end of the year, where we're going to be talking about what's happened in this past year, just reflecting a little bit. What could be happening next year with a bit of predictions to prepare us accordingly. And we're going to talk about laws of attraction. We're going to go, but what can we do to really make this special? All in conversation, pretty unscripted. So that's where you get the chance to lead it. We're going to be sharing with you. You can share with us. And together as a community, you can really add value to each other's lives. I look forward to seeing you on the 30th. So click that link wherever it may be, up, down, left, or right. Now, register for your spot. I'll see you then.